English together.
Conversation 1.
What are you going to do this weekend?
I'm going to visit my grandparents. They live in the countryside. What about you? What are you going to do this weekend?
I'm going to the park with my friends. We want to play football.
That sounds fun.
Conversation 2.
What are you going to do tomorrow?
I am going to clean my room. What about you?
I am going to meet my friend. We are going to go shopping.
Sounds fun. Are you going to have lunch together?
Yes, we are going to eat at a new restaurant.
Nice.
Conversation 3.
Are you going to travel this summer?
Yes, I am going to visit my friend in Sydney.
That's great. I am going to learn how to swim this summer.
Good plan. Are you going to take swimming lessons?
Yes, I am going to join a class next week.
Great.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.